Happy Teachers Day to all of our teachers. We don't say this a lot, but we appreciate everything that you do for us. I can count several teachers who are very close to my heart because they have helped me not only in my academics, but whose genuine concern has helped me become the person that I am today. So thank you so much to all of our teachers, especially for your sacrifices in these most trying times. Enjoy your day. Happy Teachers Day!
Hello, teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you for all the hard work you've given to us throughout this online learning situation. I hope you take a well-deserved break this Teachers Day and that you have time to relax and enjoy yourself a little. Best wishes and stay safe.
Hi! So I just want to greet our teachers. Happy Teachers Day, and just want to take time to appreciate each and every one of you, past, present, and future teachers. Thank you for giving us the support we need, the challenges we need to build ourselves and better ourselves every day in school and at home. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great and blessed day.
To all the educators out there who I know are doing their best in trying to adapt in this new mode of learning, thank you so much for the countless efforts that you have given.
Let me tell you the reality of teachers in the new normal. Disclaimer, everything that I say is from my own personal experience and also from the experiences of my colleagues. We too, like you students, didn't exactly know where to start. All this was so new to us. Everything has to be done online all of a sudden. We too were very lost. And the pressure of having to always be one step ahead of you students was a great struggle. Teachers are also trying to adapt to the new system, which we were nowhere familiar of. Yes, we were given training, but it's different when you can't practice hands-on. Also, the time given was too short. We had to cram everything. I mean, everything. We had to start from scratch, and I am just so grateful to be surrounded with the most hardworking and helpful colleagues. I have also realized that sometimes, no matter how you practice for an online teaching application, it will not work as it is expected on the first days of online classes, and maybe on the later parts too. We had meetings here and there, almost every night, sometimes even twice a day. The young faculty had to extend more help and do tutorials for the senior faculty to understand the new platform. But everything was done because of the perseverance of everyone. Of course, we complained a lot, but at the end of the day, we still sought through. While we were learning about the system, we also had to prepare modules and revise activities to make it fit for online learning. These include things like the personalization and individualization of all students, the increased understanding and use of technology and its resources. There was a need to design more highly integrated learning experiences that bridge multiple content areas and better connect the home and school environment. It was so hard to do such activities, especially that we are teaching a skill-based course. We just kept telling ourselves, 1 week at a time lang jud, we'll get there. On some days, where it is impossible to just do it online, we risk going out to meet up in school. We film ourselves and perform the experiments for the students. Edit the videos, add voiceover, and then upload it for the students to still be able to feel that they are attending classes in the laboratory. For our lecture discussions, we have this synchronous type of learning, where we hold a live chat with students, which we rarely do because another challenging aspect of online learning is when students have an unstable internet connection. I've tried having a class and we got disconnected 3 times. It is then so important that teachers must know the stability of students' internet connections. On the other hand, teachers can also be affected by lagging Wi-Fi. So we opt to do the asynchronous learning, where we pre-record all our lecture topics. Yes, this may be so much better for us because we don't have to go in our class and discuss the same topics 8 times, and it may sound so easy to do, but I swear guys, I sleep around 3 a.m. just to finish the simplest lecture presentation. Oh my gosh, it is so much harder than you think it is, but laban pa rin. I am currently teaching first-year students right now, and we are all strangers to each other. So I really have to put an extra effort to not make the mood so awkward. On days where I have 4 classes, I get super bad migraine due to the fact that I face the computer the entire day. Exams are more convenient for us teachers because the new system just checks it on its own. I could go on with my endless stories, but I think that will do for now. Teachers today are left with a new normal that defines their profession. It is time for the rest of us to stop looking back and instead embrace our new normal. Amidst these trying times, teachers continue to give their best. Let us learn to appreciate the efforts of our beloved teachers because they mold us to achieve our dreams and aspirations in the future. Their expertise and unwavering dedication to their profession will be the difference in the lives of our children for generations to come. Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers out there. With me being a teacher myself now, made me appreciate more all the teachers and their efforts, especially my teachers from preschool to kindergarten to grade school, high school, and then college. To my colleagues who continue to strive to give the best for our students, thank you. And I'd like to end this video with a quote that a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. To all teachers out there, I salute you.
Happy Teacher's Day!